Alright, here is the CMS assessment that I created in Google Classroom. You can see the assessment right here is titled Factors and Multiples. And if I click on this link, it would take me straight to the assessment, which was created in Google Forms. This assessment would be used as a formative assessment. Its purpose is to check student understanding of factors, multiples, and prime numbers, which you can see here in the questions. I would use this assessment to determine next steps for instruction within a larger unit. So, for example, if the assessment shows that a large number of students are not able to find factor pairs for a given number, then I would go back and reteach this explicitly to the whole class. Students could then practice the skill using a digital tool such as Factorize, where students explore the concept of factors by creating rectangular arrays. And if the assessment shows that students understand, then I know that they're ready to move to more complex topics such as expanding and reducing fractions. This assessment is designed for 4th grade students, and it addresses Common Core Standard 4 for operations and algebraic thinking right here. You can see it's related to the use of factors, multiples, and prime numbers. This assessment matches with several of my Rubric 4.0 standards. First, it allows the teacher to provide timely feedback. To grade this assessment, I've used an add-on in Sheets called Flubaroo. It automatically grades the assessment, which would allow me to provide the students with quick feedback. You can also send stickers and badges to the students through Flubaroo. Second, it informs instruction, so Flubaroo shows the percent of students who got each question correct, and it also highlights overall low-scoring questions, which makes it easy to plan for future instruction. The third criteria on my rubric would be the digital component, so students are using Google Classroom and Google Forms. And finally, it is tied to learning goals, which I've already talked about. Google Classroom works well with this assessment because it's easy for 4th graders to use, and Google Classroom works well with Google Apps, and this assessment incorporates the use of several Google Apps. It allows students to turn the assessments in when they're done, so I know that it's complete and ready to grade. So all of this together makes Google Classroom a convenient yet informative way to assess student understanding.